Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into Leonardo AI. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome, or else you can directly download the application on your mobile device. But for this video, I'm going to guide you through the PC. Now at the search bar, you can simply search leonardo.ai and press enter. You will be now directly led to this page. Here you can see the option Get Started. Simply click over there. Now at the left side, you can see this kind of interface will appear. Now if you don't have your account, then you can simply click on Sign Up and they will be guiding you further to sign up for your Leonardo AI account. But for this video, as we already have our account, we need to simply log in. Now to log in, you can either use your Apple ID if you are an Apple user, or else your Google or your Microsoft, or you can simply enter your credentials and sign in. Now for this video, we will simply enter our credentials. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover your password. Or else you can click on this option. After that, you need to simply click on sign in. And now you can see that I am logged into my Leonardo AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.